What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I am super excited because we're diving into my latest fashion subscription box from Taelor. Now, we've been covering this brand for the past couple of months. This is a really important unboxing too for me because I said last month that I'm really hoping that this month's box is kind of the epitome of the boxes, the peak of the picks, if you will, because the last few months, their AI software and their stylists have been kind of getting to know me. You know, they're getting feedback from me. It's taking in the data from me and processing boxes based on my preferences and likes and dislikes, things like that. And if you want to know how all of this works, everything, all the AI, the styling, everything, I'll go back to the original video. That is where all the information is. Watch that so you aren't lost on what we're talking about here. But their AI software and their stylists are really the major players here in this entire thing with Taelor. And so I'm really expecting good things out of the box I'm going to show you today. And one of the things I want to highlight before we jump into the box is really how this got to be what I'm hoping is the best box of them all, is utilizing the rating feature that the brand offers, where I give them piece by piece feedback. Let me show you actually what it looks like. I'll show you right here. You just go to your Taelor account and it shows you every item that they've sent you. It even gives you a preview of what's coming, and you can browse other items too and kind of favorite them and request them even. But what you do is you go in there and you give each item a star rating and a few other ratings too. They got a couple of questions you answer so they can just know directly from you if you like this item or not. They also give you rewards for doing this that you can use towards your subscription or clothing item, you know, by just rating the items that you've gotten and letting them know what you think. And so I've done all that. I gave them all the information, and again, they send a preview of the box that's coming. And when I first saw that, I knew immediately this is going to be the best box yet that they have sent, filled with items that I absolutely love. So let's jump into the box and see what they sent. First up here is this gray short sleeve button up. This is a good choice. I'm gonna tell you it's not as good in the grand scheme of things when it comes to everything else that we're gonna look at. You know, I'd got to keep it real here, but when you pair it with the pants they included, a whole separate item, I think the pair goes to a new level. Pants are from Project Raw, by the way. I've never heard of this brand, but they are really nice. Again, it's kind of a dull item if you're just looking at it individually, but when you pair it with this shirt, which is by R2 Amsterdam, it's much better. A very solid pick for a complete outfit, which again, I think is really important because it's not only just picking out items that you like, it's trying to figure out your personal taste for outfits so that it can pair you with different things that not only go together, but maybe it's just one single outfit and then a bunch of single picks that you can, you know, make outfits yourself. It's got, you know, it kind of mixes and matches is what I'm trying to say. Next though, we've got one of my personal favorite items from this box, this Nickaby Age of Wisdom brown shirt jacket, or shacket, whatever we're calling it these days. I absolutely love this piece. It's soft as hell, absolutely comfortable. It fits well, and this color goes with so much. I mean, this was a fantastic pick. I might end up keeping this one, honestly. I think it's just that great of a pick. Next though, we've got this Kenneth Cole crew neck sweater. This is another really great pick. I'm not too crazy about the collar. It looked different in the picture than what it actually ended up being. I think it's a little bit wide. It's not too bad though. It does go well with the jeans that they sent to. If you want to go with a black on black option, I think this is a pretty solid pick overall. Next, now we've got another sweater. This one is from Mizumi. This is actually a good one to point out. This is a really good pick to look at up close because I actually listed this as something I wanted to see in a future box. I favorited it on their website. So that worked out really well. It does look a little bit different in person than the picture. I love the pattern on it. That's kind of what drew me to it, honestly. It's kind of a fresh take on an otherwise boring piece. I think that they kind of really elevated it with this really different pattern here. It makes it stand out a little bit more. It's a great piece. Last one now is a piece from Luciano Visconti. This is a brand that we saw in a previous box. It's a different shirt, but it's the same brand. It's very comfortable. It's the same style of shirt that they sent previously. It's a shirt I like because it looks both casual and upscale. Like, you didn't put a ton of effort in, but you still kind of look like you did. I mean, that's my kind of deal, where you don't have to spend a ton of time, but you still look like you spend a ton of time. That though is the box. A few key takeaways that I want to point out here is, one, they send a lot of items in the boxes. I mean, there's always a great amount to choose from in these shipments. Two, the subscription I'm on actually allows for 2 shipments per month. I have been good about pointing that out in the last couple of months, so I wanted to make sure to say it here. This is just one of 2 shipments that I can actually get in the same month. You know, you send everything back and then they have another shipment all set for you in the same month if you want. And the final thing I want to mention here is if you like anything enough to keep it, I've talked about this in the past, you can keep it. It's not crazy expensive. Everything else does get sent back. You can send everything back if you want, but if you do like something enough to keep it, you can pay to keep it. I think that's all though. Overall, I'm really impressed with this brand Taelor. I think they are much better than some of the other places that I've reviewed, other subscription services, just based on their willingness to accept feedback. I know, some of you in the past have messaged me about, different things when it comes to other subscription services. And quite honestly, what I've seen after using them for a few months is they are much different when it comes to the selection of items. Those other brands, those other subscription services, they kind of get into a routine where they send the same things over and over and over and over. And you can make suggestions, but they've got their routines. They send the same things over and over. This one here, they really do accept feedback. Like, I don't like this. Don't send this to me again. Okay, it's not included in your next box. And they mix things up. They pay attention to the seasons. They're not, sending a ton of short sleeve stuff in the colder months. They're not sending a ton of long sleeve stuff in the hotter months. I also have heard from you guys on the whole sending things back thing. Some of you have messaged me like, is it weird, or I need to move this microphone. I'm just hitting it nonstop. Good Lord. But I've heard from some of you, how is it sending everything back? Do you mind sending everything back? It's a little weird that you have to send, because most of the time these subscription services allow you to keep the items. I really don't mind. After doing it for a couple of months, I don't mind sending the items back. I don't know about you guys, but I don't have unlimited closet space. I don't have an unlimited amount of space in my closet. I've already got a ton in there anyway. This really saves a lot of space, and it saves you and me from having to find a place to put things that you don't necessarily want to have forever. Again, if there is something you really love, you can keep it. But other than that, it's honestly more convenient to send things back and not have it just lying around. They do also make it super easy. They send you a package, they send you a label. You just throw everything in the bag there, slap your label on it, throw it in the mailbox. Easy, super easy, very convenient. If you want to check out Taelor, the link and the info is in the description. I highly recommend you check them out. Once again, what I've seen out of them for the past few months, I'm not paid to say this. I really do think that they are superior over the other services that I've tried in the past. So I do like their model. I like the pics. I like the stylus. If you want to see future boxes from this brand, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. Leave me a comment. Share this with your friends. Share your thoughts with me. All of that awesome stuff. That's all I got for you for today. Thanks so much for checking this box out with me. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.